In this session, we are going to do integration by parts, and the function is little big here. Okay, you have a x polynomial, you have cos inverse x which is inverse trigonometric, and you have root of 1 minus x square also. So I want to do substitution first, make the question simpler, and then I want to go for integration by parts. Okay, so I understand derivative of cos inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square with a negative sign. So which is readily available. So first I do the substitution. Cos inverse x is equal to t. So minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is nothing but dt. All of you know, once the substitution is done, next step is derivative. Okay, so what is dx by root of 1 minus x square? Dx by root of 1 minus x square is this whole part, which is minus dt. Okay, and cos inverse x is dt, and from this you know x is equal to cos t, because cos inverse go to the right side as cos, you know that. Okay, inverse trigonometric function. Now what happens to your integral now? This is same as, okay, x into, what is x? Cos t, and there is cos inverse x which is t, and you have dx by root of 1 minus x square which is completely dt, and there is a minus sign, please do not forget that. Okay, so this is same as minus. Now I keep the minus outside, I don't want to keep it inside. Now I want to do the integration. Cos t, you know derivative as well as integration. For t also you know derivative as well as integration. But t, when you do the derivative, it becomes smaller, means it becomes 1. So you can choose here. Okay, so this is first function, this is second function. So what do you get? First function into integration of second function. What is integration of sin cos t? Is sin t. Minus integral differentiation of first function, which is derivative of t, is 1, and integration of second function. What is integration of cos t? Is sin t and dt. This is same as minus t sin t, minus into minus, plus integral of sin t is negative cos t plus c. Okay, now this is same as minus t sin t minus cos t plus c. Okay, now once you complete this integration, you need to resubstitute the value of t and stop. What is t? T is nothing but cos inverse x. So minus cos inverse x. You know cos t is x, and you know 1 minus sin square t is cos square t, you know that. Okay, but I want sin t here. So what will be sin square t? Is root of 1 minus cos square t, which is nothing but root of 1 minus x square. So into root of 1 minus x square, and what is cos t? Is x, and then plus c. So what did you understand now? When you are substituting for sin t or cos t, completely convert it in terms of x. Okay, at that time you need to use the formula and then convert it. But it is wise to write it as minus root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x minus x, and then plus c. Just to make it clear, this has nothing to do with cos inverse. It's a separate function. Okay. Now we are going to do one more question in this, which is integral e to the power of x into sin x plus cos x. Listen carefully. This type generally comes in 1 mark for you. First I will do it elaborately, then I'll tell you the shortcut. Okay. Actually I can't say it is shortcut. If this is f of x, you can see this is f dash of x readily available. Okay, please remember. So when you have integral of type e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, your answer will be e power x into f of x. I'll explain to you why after I do the answer. So sin x derivative is cos x, readily available. So your answer is going to be e power x into sin x plus c. That's all. But I'm going to explain to you here. So what are you getting here? E power x into some function. It can be any function. F of x into f dash of x dx. If I separate into two integrals, it becomes e power x into f of x dx plus integral e power x into f dash of x dx. Okay, I'm not going to touch the second one. I'm going to choose this as first, this as second. So can you see what happens? First function into integration of second function minus integral derivative of first function. What is derivative of f of x? Is nothing but f dash of x into integration of second function. What is integration of second function? Integration of e power x is e power x, and then plus you have integral, that's it. This function I am copying it down. E power x into f dash of x dx. Are you able to see this and this are same? So they are going to get cancelled. So this is nothing but e power x into f of x plus c. So what did you learn? If you have e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, your answer will be only, just you can say e power x into f of x, because the other term, when you do integration by parts, it gets cancelled. So here you see your f of x is sin x. It should be along with sine, constant, everything. Nothing should be left out. Okay, exact derivative should be there. Please remember that. And what is f dash of x? Derivative of sin x is cos x. So what is your answer? E power x into sin x into, e power x into sin x plus c. Okay, one quick sum here. If it is e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx, are you understanding? This is f of x, and minus 1 by x square becomes f dash of x. So what is the answer of this? E power x just into 1 by x, which we write it in the front, and plus c. Please remember to choose them carefully. That's all. Okay, hope it is clear for you.